Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can actually find your Sanrio stickers in Heartopia. So last time for the My Little Pony event, you get like badges, so you will be able to actually display them in your house like this right here. And then for the stickers, you can actually find them in the journal, like the Fashionwave Journal. If you go to your inventory here, you'll see the Call of Whales Fashion Wave Memory Journal. Then I'm just going to edit it, and here's where you will be able to find the sticker. So as you can see, I have like a cute Sanrio moment here. And if you go to Fashion Wave stickers, you'll be able to find the Sanrio stickers. There's also emotes that you can add, badges, and basic decoration, but I will add the Sanrio stickers. I want to I'll add like one My Melody and one of the Cinnamoroll one. I don't have a lot yet because we just started collecting them. Confirm and like let's add, oh, we can actually, can we move it? Oh my gosh, we can. Okay, I'll add one like here. And then I'm going to add one here, and I'm just going to like move it, I guess, here. But yeah, that's where you can find the stickers. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!